Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to allow admin access to Salesforce login. This is incredibly useful when you need to grant administrators the ability to log in as other users for troubleshooting, support, or training purposes without needing their passwords. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll want to click on the gear icon located in the top right corner of your Salesforce interface. Once you click it, a menu will appear. From this menu, select Setup. This takes you into the administrative backend where you can configure all sorts of settings for your Salesforce org. Now that you're in Setup, look for the search bar at the top of the page. This search bar is your best friend for navigating Salesforce's extensive settings. Go ahead and type login access policies into that search bar. This will help you quickly locate the specific settings we need without having to dig through multiple menus. Once the search results appear, click on login access policies. This section controls who can access user accounts and under what conditions, which is exactly what we need to modify. On the login access policies page, you'll see several checkbox options. Look for the one that says administrators can log in as any user and check that box. This is the key setting that enables admins to access other user accounts directly. It's a powerful feature, so make sure you understand the security implications before enabling it. After checking that box, click the Save button to apply this change. Give it a moment to process and save your settings to the system. Next, click on your profile photo in the top right corner of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu with various account-related options. From that drop-down menu, click on Settings. This takes you to your personal settings area where you can manage your own account preferences and access controls. In the left sidebar, you'll notice another search bar. Type Grant Account Login Access into this search bar. This feature allows you to specify exactly how long administrators can access user accounts. Click on Grant Account Login Access from the search results. This page displays the different duration options available for granting login access. Under the section labeled Your Company's Administrator, you'll see a drop-down menu where you can select a duration. Choose an appropriate time frame such as 1 week or 1 month, depending on how long you need this access to remain active. This setting determines how long the admin access will be valid before it needs to be renewed. Finally, click Save to confirm your selection and activate the admin login access. And that's it. You've successfully configured Salesforce to allow administrator access to user logins with your specified duration settings. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.